another challenge I'm seeing home buyers have out there. I mean, obviously, I think nationwide we have an inventory crisis, not enough homes on the market.
Yeah.
Um, what that means is if there's not enough homes on the market, there's definitely not very many, super turnkey, cherried out, beautiful move-in ready homes. And so that has some buyers looking at inventory where maybe in a more balanced market, they may not consider, but now they're looking at a home and saying, hey, the bones could work, the location could work, the square footage could work, but man, this place needs 100,000. It needs to have the kitchen reoriented, or worse, hey, I want to buy this home, but it doesn't qualify for financing because it either has, broken windows, right, can prevent financing.
Mhm.
It's got foundation issues. It's got maybe an empty pool, right? Health and
Yeah.
safety, can't get a loan, no floor coverings, major dry rot that the seller's not going to address, those kind of things. Are there programs where a buyer can have assistance with the renovation, like a renovation loan?
Absolutely. It's crazy. Again, another amazing program that people don't know about. They go in and they look at a home and maybe they don't like the carpet, or maybe they just have, I don't know, 10% down and they don't have money to redo the cabinets. And
Mm.
it's crazy how people walk away for that, from that property. But now that there's no inventory, my clients are coming back to me and saying, hey, can I qualify for more? Or what can I do to just be able to get into a home in this neighborhood? I just don't seem to, there's like 20 offers and it's going $10,000 over asking. And I don't know how that green carpet could attract people, but there's still multiple offers. So yes, the renovation loan is amazing. It's actually where you can take the purchase price and the cost of whatever you want in upgrades or renovation and put it all in one. This helps the buyers so that they don't have to go out afterwards and get a second loan or get a personal loan or put more on their credit cards and have those higher interests. It's an all-in-one inclusive loan that you can get right at the beginning.
That's great. And now, Sheila, how do you determine, what is the cost of that renovation during that loan process?
That's a very good question. And so, I try to have my buyers, first of all, get educated on the renovation loan when they bring it up and they let me know, hey, I'm having problems finding a home. I'm not sure if I just need to qualify for more. And we talk about it. And I really give them the information on how to look at a property and really determine if you are really interested in doing upgrades. And right away, if you are, have a certain person that you already have in mind, a licensed contractor that you can bring in, show them the home, have them walk around with you, make the list of exactly what you want, and have a bid at hand. So that when you make that offer, you're giving me that bid and you're saying, hey, Sheila, I already put in an offer and I'm waiting for them to give me whether it's a counter or an acceptance, but this is what I'm looking for. So we already are ready to go and know exactly what she wants in regards to the amount of upgrades. That's really the best way to proceed with a renovation loan. That cuts so much time. And the reason for it is because if you get into a transaction and you get into it, let's say, I don't know, 21-day transaction, and now you want to bring in someone and to give you bids on everything that you want to do, it's going to be hard to meet that 21-day.
Right.
But if you go straight from the beginning, I would say a 30-day transaction can still be met as long as you go in straight from the beginning, knowing your contractor, knowing what you want to get done. So we don't have to take another 2.5 weeks with you deciding who or which contractor you're going to go to, what upgrades you're going to have done, getting bids and all those things. It just really needs to be upfront. Those things have to be done because it cannot be done by you. That's the one major part about renovation loans. The renovation needs to be done by a licensed contractor.
I see. Okay. So that's really good to know. This is not the kind of thing where you say, hey, honey, let's go look at fixers this weekend and we'll get a renovation loan. You want to have pretty much your contractor identified.
Yes.
You want to have more or less a plan of what you hope to do
Yes.
with a property so that you can go in, get that bid, submit it to the lender, and get that loan closed.
That's exactly right. And I would always say renovation loan, more than any other loan, it's really important to get pre-approved with exactly the amount that you're looking for. You should have in mind that, okay, I want to have a renovation loan or I'm thinking what I want to do is get maybe an older home with a great backyard that I can go in and do my own renovation. And I'm thinking it might be somewhere about 50 to 100,000, or maybe even I really want to go in and redo everything. I want to do 100 to 150,000. Get the pre-approval at hand. So you've already got that done, right? Now you can go out and look for homes. And once you look for homes and you go and get the bids, again, very important to communicate at all times with your loan officer. Give that to them as soon as you can so they can start working on everything for you while you're still going through the contract and trying to get the offer accepted.